Brave men fall, the battle cry, and tears fill the eyes, their loved ones and brothers in arms. And so it goes with Joseph Bourne. It could have been different, or should have been easy. His rank could have saved him, but a country unborn needs bravery, and it spread like a wildfire. Wildfire. From the ashes grew sweet liberty, like seeds from the pine. When the forest burns, they open up, they grow, and they burn again. It could have been different, it should have been easy, but too much money rolled in to ever end slavery, and the cry for war spread just like a wildfire. Civil War came, the Civil War went. Brother fought brother, and the South was spent. But its true demise was hatred passed down through the years. It could have been different, it should have been easy, but pride has a way of holding to history, and it burns like a wildfire. 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 I was born southern son from a small southern town where the rebels run wild and they beat their chests. And they say we're gonna rise again. Could have been different, it should have been easy. Day old Warren died, hate should have gone with him. But here we are, caught up in this wildfire.